Hi, I'm Dr. Caleb Kronen from the Marion Downs Center, and I'm here today to talk to you about custom hearing protection. Using traditional non-custom hearing protection works for some people, but other people, it just doesn't cut it. It could fall off, it may not fit right, may just not work with how hot or how much you're moving. So instead of using a $1 non-custom earplug that you may not be getting into your ear and may be uncomfortable, there's other options. This is a solid custom silicone earplug. It's extremely comfortable, it's easy to get in, and most of all, it's custom made just for you. It blocks out maximum sound, which is great for anyone in really noisy settings, people who are shooting guns, or working in loud environments. These are my custom musician earplugs. They're easy to get in, and they provide the best sound quality on the market. A little bit less discreet than the true custom, but it has the most excellent sound quality, the highest fidelity of any earplug on the market, and that's why I fit it with the entire Colorado Symphony. This earplug is great for people on stage or for people who are audio engineering. The true custom earplug is ideal for people who are concert goers, flight attendants, dental hygienists, or anyone who's working in noise but needs to be able to hear with lots of clarity. This filter allows sound to come in very clearly. Great for hearing speech and music, yet still a low profile, very discreet type of earplug. Digital hearing protection is excellent for people who are doing shooter sports, who are professional shooters, anyone using guns, even people who are hunting. And what this device does is it amplifies sound when there's no gunfire. And the moment that gunfire initiates, this computer chip stops all sound from getting into your ear. So it's a very smart way to be able to hunt if you want to be able to hear animals around you or friends who are with you. But then when the gunfire starts, you don't want that to damage your ears. This type of hearing protection can also be used in industrial settings. There's a less sophisticated filter earplug here that's a little less expensive and more geared towards industrial individuals, people working in factories, that communication is key. They want to block out a lot of sound, but they also want to hear well. Lastly, there's a sleep plug. The sleep plug is designed for comfort. Blocks out your partner snoring or a loud hotel room. And these are excellent for people who are just looking for a nice night's sleep. As you can see, all of these earplugs come in different colors. You can swirl colors, you can put glitter in them, or if you're trying to be discreet, you can just get clear. But there's lots of different options for different people. And there's some more that we didn't mention today that I don't have examples of, but there's swimming earplugs. There's earplugs for motorsports that are good for underneath a helmet, like motorcycle riding. And there's even earplugs that can connect to radios, which is also great in an industrial employee setting where you're in a factory trying to hear your radio, but you also want to block out machine noise. Non-custom earplugs block out all of the high frequencies and none of the lows. Sounds like you're standing outside of a club. Custom filtered earplug sounds like you don't have an earplug in at all. Blocks down the sound in a uniform fashion that provides amazing sound quality. But the solution to having a perfect fit, excellent comfort, and easy insertion is a custom earplug. At the Marion Downs Center, we want to make getting custom hearing protection as easy as possible. In a short 30-minute appointment, we can pick out what the best option is for you, take impressions of your ears, and order exactly what you need. Give us a call today.